Water creature.
Octopus.
Octopus. Octopus.
The octopus shoots out a cloud of ink when it is in danger.
Turtle.
Turtle. Turtle.
The turtle has a big, hard shell.
Whale.
Whale. Whale.
Whales come up to the surface of the ocean to breathe air. Shark.
Shark. Shark.
Sharks have a very good sense of smell.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Turtle.
Turtle.
Whale.
Whale.
Shark.
Shark. Crab.
Crab. Crab.
Crabs have two big claws to grasp things with.
Seal.
Seal. Seal.
Seals live near the sea because they eat fish. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Jellyfish. The jellyfish lives underwater. Jellyfish lives underwater.
The penguin dives into the water.
Stingray.
Stingray. Stingray. A stingray's face is on the underside of its body.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphins swim like fish, but they cannot breathe underwater like fish can.
Crab.
Crab. Seal.
Seal.
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
Penguin.
Penguin. Stingray.
Stingray.
Dolphin.
Dolphin.